Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see different ways to create object in Java. So here we will understand how many ways we can create. There is several ways with the help of that we can create objects in Java. So most common way to create object by using new keyword. Like here we see. Here I have taken example of my class obj equal to new. This new keyword is used to. It is a most common way to create object in Java. But there is several ways. Using replication we can create, using class loader we can create, using clone method. So we will going to see one by one example of this, all the seven different ways. So there is several, many more is there. Using abstract factory we can create, builder pattern we can create. But this is the most common we can use in Java applications. So we will see these seven ways how we can create the object from this. Let's understand here. I have created one my class which implements clonable and serializable. Clonable and serializable because we are going to create with the help of serialization as well as clone method of that object class. So it is extending, my class is extending clonable and serializable. Here I have taken one variable string message, then constructor, and then my class. Then we are getting that get message method, and here we are overriding the clone method of the object class. And here if we are I'm creating one create instance method which we will use in factory while creating uh, object by the factory method. As we have seen here, last way we are going to create with the help of factory method, that we are going to see in the these videos. So main class I have created. First way we will see here, like how we can create the object. Our first way is like using new keyword, using new keyword. So here I have taken example class my class equal to my class obj equal to new my class. So I will create my class obj. This will be our first object we are going to create with new my class, and I will pass some message to the constructor of this object. So I'm writing like creating using new keyword. Then we will print this object as out print obj1. Then let's run this. Until then we will see another example. Second way is using reflection. I will create. So this is second, using reflection we can create. So how we can create using reflection? We need to use class dot for name method is there. With the help of that, we can create. So let's see here what happened. Okay, this message is printed here, created using my class. Then next method we are going to see. Let's use class, and we will use class reference here. Class we will take equal to class dot for name we will use. This method is used to get the instance of the class. So I will pass my class here. My class, and we will use class dot get, and then we need to create here object for this, and I am creating my class obj2 equal to new obj2 equal to, I will typecast this my class, and we will get class dot get instance get declared constructor dot get instance method is there. Get let's see here, get constructor method is there. Get declared constructor. This method will give us. Then we will use get instance. Get instance. Sorry, not get instance. New instance. New instance, and it will we will get message from above. Let's obj2 dot get message, and we will obj2 dot message equal to we will print using reflection API. So here we need to write obj2 dot message equal to created using reflection API. Let's see what is the issue here. obj2 dot instance we are not getting here. My class, it's class dot what is the issue here? Class declared constructor is right. Let's see what is the issue here first. Here if you see the field message has a private access. That's why we are getting this error. So we need to provide setter method for this message. Let's create a setter, generate setter method for this setter, and we will get this message from here in our obj.to set message. So we are going to set this message to this. Now let's okay, still two error we are showing here. What is that? On handle exception. Okay, class dot for name we are getting. We need to add on handle exception here on handle exception at method level. So new instance also we are getting on handle exceptions. Okay, now we will print. We will try to print this. We will use yes out message to print this object. Then let's run this. Next way we will see using class loader. May rerun this again. Third, we will see using class loader. Using class loader. So how we can create using class loader? We will use class loader. Class loader equal to my class dot class dot get class loader is there method in this, and with this method we will use, let's understand this first. Here we need to use class and type as a parameter. Class T is a type generic we need to provide. Then class 2 we will take, suppose class 2 equal to class loader dot get class loader dot load class, and we will use my class name. Class loader dot load class, we will use my class name. my class. And after that loading, then we will create object of my class. As a third object, we are going to create my class obj3 equal to my class. This is a typecasting. We are typecasting. Then class 2 dot get declared instance. Get declared constructor is there. Declared constructor, and we will get new instance. Dot get new. Sorry. Dot get new instance. And once we are created this instance, then we will then we will set the message to our object3 dot set message, and we will set as a created using class loader. So this will create us our third object. Then we will print this out as a obj3. We will rerun this again, and we will print this. Then next we will going to see how we can create using clone method. So we have override clone method in above. So with the help of that, using clone method, we will going to create method. So here you can see we have set this message through the constructor, means this object is created. Then fourth method we are using clone method. So how we can create my class? It's simple with clone method. Already we have override clone method. My class obj4 we will use equal to obj1 dot clone, means from the first itself we are cloning this object and we are displaying the message. Then we will set obj4 dot set message. Set message is method we are created for our private members, and we will use message name as a created using clone method. And then we will print this message yes out print obj4. So we will run this, and next we are going to see using deserialization, how we can create using deserialization. What is the error here? obj1 dot clone. Add. Okay. We need to add exception at the method signature. Let's rerun again. Let's see our fifth type first using deserialization. Now we will create using deserialization. First we will serialize object, then we will first we will see with the serialized object, then we will see deserialized object. So how we can see first serialize. Serialize object. Then we will write file output stream. For this serialization and deserialization, I have created separate video, and that you can watch on our channel, like how we can create a file input stream, file output stream. And same here I have used object that is person I have used in that. So you can go and watch. Here I am using directly object.serialize. So this object we will serialize. Then object input stream we need to use input stream in equal to new object input stream. Then we will use file in or file that we have provided in. Then we will create my class object obj5 equal to my class and in dot read object is a method there that we will use, and we will set object obj5 dot set message. We will set created using so here we need to first serialize objects. So I have not serialized this. Let's serialize this first. How we can serialize it first? Let's do here. File output stream I will use. File output stream equal to new file output stream, and then I will pass as a file name object dot ACR. Then we will after then file output stream, then object output stream we will use object output stream out equal to object output stream, and we will pass file output stream to this. Then we will use object out dot write object one we will use here, first object our, then object out dot close, then file out dot close put stream dot close. Now we have created this. Let's see what is the error method call expected. File output stream. Okay, new file output stream we need to use file. So it is correct here, file output stream. Okay, I have not added a new here, so just I have added this new. That's why it is getting us that error message method call expected. New object output stream. Then we are using file out. Then this write object and handle exception, need to add an handle exception at method level. Then after closing this file out dot close, then we will use deserialize this object. So this is our serialize object. So now we have used output stream that we need to take as an input stream. So we will change this file input stream, file in and equal to new file input stream we need to use, that we will read from that file. So it means we are reading this. Then we are using object input stream equal to new object, it's correct. Then object obj5 equal to my class dot get read object. Then obj dot set message we are setting created using deserialization. And we will close this resource in dot close, then file in dot close, and we will print our message yes out on object 5, obj5. And now let's run this and we will see next way. 6 is a new instance method where we can use using new instance method of constructor class. Using new instance method of constructor class. So let's try to print this. Okay, we have not overridden this method. Using constructor class, how we can print, new instance of the constructor class. For that, we need to use constructor of my class. Constructor of my class. Then constructor equal to my class dot get constructor. What is the issue here? Equal to my class dot. So instance we need to use dot get constructor. Get constructor using string dot class. We will use here string dot class, and we will close this. So here we got the error. So we will use class. Okay. We will check this. What is the issue in that? My class constructor string dot class. Is the error? Okay, no, the error is not there. That's correct. Then we will create my class obj6. Obj6 equal to constructor dot new instance. So this is the new instance method which will give us the object of this class with the help of constructor. So how we can get this? So constructor dot, here we have created constructor dot new instance, and we will pass it as a created using new instance of method, and we will close this constructor dot class. Constructor instance of method with constructor. Then we will simply print this object. Just print yes out obj6. Let's run this. We will see if it is created or not. Then last method is that is factory. Using factory method we can create factory method. So my class obj7 equal to my class dot create instance, my dot class create instance, then obj. So here we got the message as a created using new instance of method with the constructor obj7. Then we will see obj7 dot set message created using factory method. So factory method, it is a little bit difficult creating object with factory method. This is one type of design pattern that I have created a separate video on this. You guys can go and watch on our channel. So you will get the in detail knowledge about this factory patterns, how we can create like how we can use these factory patterns. OBJ7 we need to use. Okay, now let's run this program. These are the different ways with the help of that we can create object in Java. So on this any 1, 2, 3 you can explain into then that is sufficient. No need to know all. Just for knowledge purpose, we have seen this all the like how many ways we can create the object in Java. And here at last we can catch exception as well, as we have used previously try block and then catch that exception, catch exception e and e dot print stack trace. Let's close this here, catch exception e dot print stack trace. So let's close this bracket. Okay, if we don't throw any exception, in that case, we can use this exception object here. And let's again close. Let me check this once. Here we need to use this inside try. So then we can handle exception in this as well. So that's all from this video, guys. I hope you gain some knowledge from this. If you like the content of the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Then hit the like buttons, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you, guys.